Hey friends, it's Tracy. In today's video, I'm going to show the little sweet customer appreciation gifts that I created for my sister. She was doing a customer appreciation in her gift shop. It's her yearly summer thing that she does, and she asked me to put together some fun giveaways for different customers. They have a chance to win, and so I decided to put together these 4th of July gnome arrangements, as well as paint up some really cute little signs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how inexpensive you can put little things together that really make a big impact and make your customers feel so special. Let's get started. These are just standard size vegetable cans that I cleaned out, ran them through my dishwasher. Now I have a smooth edge can opener that doesn't leave any sharp edges or anything like that. I will have the one that I use listed in the description box if it's something that you're interested in finding how you can have a can opener and it has these smooth edges so that you don't have any sharp parts on it. All right, so what I did is I just gave them each a coat of Dixie Bell cotton white chalk paint, let that dry. Then I'm going to cut my napkins. Now these napkins came from Hobby Lobby, and so I'm doing my little trick that I picked up from another creator with napkins is just take a piece of Scotch tape and put it on the end of that kind of in the corner, and it'll peel off the back of that napkin really nice. And so then I'm just left with the top layer of the napkin. And so I give it a layer of, put some Mod Podge on there, and then I'm going to start working in sections, just smoothing it down as I go along. I lift up that one part right there, so because it's going to meet around the back side, and I want the blue and white stars to be on top. So I just put a layer of Mod Podge on there, and then just kind of once that's all dry, then I will go back over it and put a finishing layer of Mod Podge on it once my napkin is completely dry. For my cans, I just cut down some styrofoam and set it in there. Before I did that, I did go out in my driveway and just get one rock and put it down in the bottom of that can because I wanted to have just a little weight. They weren't as top heavy as I thought it was going to be. I didn't want them to tip over very easily. I didn't have to worry about that. But if you weight it down or weight your cans down a little, it will help with that. All right, so then I'm going to be using some Excelsior as well as some greenery. Those both came from Hobby Lobby, and I just love how this little guy turns out. I just love his sweet little face. And so that's what I did first is I just put some Excelsior on top of that. Then I just start putting in my greenery, and then I'm just going to be adding the little gnome, these little metal gnome, like little yard, I guess they're little yardsticks. I've had them for a few years and haven't really done a whole lot with them. And so then when my sister was asking me, hey, do you have anything that you can put? Of course, it's the customer appreciation is this week. And I was like, oh my goodness, what am I going to put together? I was like, well, yeah, I'll put something together because, you know, God always help my sister out. And so I just put these little arrangements together, just putting them in there. And I cut down those little yardsticks just a tad so they wouldn't be too tall. And then those little flowers, those little daisies and the little red daisies actually came from Amazon. And if you like those, I will put the link for those in the description box because I love putting those in my little arrangement. It just really just adds a little bit of floral touch without having a really big flower bush in it. And so I'll just continue to work on my little arrangements and yeah, I just love how they turned out. I added some glittery stars as well as some glitter balls. I just stuck in either some skewer sticks or toothpicks, just something that would hold it together, and glued those where I saw fit and just added those to the little arrangement with all the cute little gnomes. They just are so precious, just holding their flags or just beaming with American pride. For the cute little signs, I painted up this pack of wood slats that I had on hand. It got these from the Dollar Tree. There were 6 in them. They were just thin little wood slats, and I love to do this. I did this for years when I was doing craft shows, and they just made perfect little ornaments, just a little sign just to give to someone special. And so I hope that I am inspiring you to create some for yourself for a different season. These are just in the patriotic theme, but this is great for Christmas and for all different kind of holidays and all of that good stuff. All right, guys. So what I did is I have 6 of these little slats, and I'm going to give it a base coat of drop cloth. That is a Dixie Bell paint. And then for the border, I'm just using blue as well as primary red. I'm going to be just painting and then just adding some hand lettering. And if you are unsure about hand lettering, you can always use stickers. You can cut something out on like your Cricut, your die cutting machine. You can use stamps, anything that will give you some sort of lettering so that you can spell out different phrases or names of different people in your family. These little signs are so versatile and just so stinking cute. Adding some hand lettering with my acrylic black marker, and just putting my little happy dots and all my little paint splatters and all of my little squiggles and all of that good stuff. And so I just love hand painting, and I just love creating little things like this. And I hope that these little signs, whoever wins them, will enjoy them for many years to come. I'm also going to add some ribbon and trims. Just add just a little small bow. I'm going to add some blue and red, just different wire. I had just used my Crop-o-dile just to put in a little hole so that I could get the wire through there and just make a cute little hanger out of them. And like I said, I hope that the person, whoever gets it, will enjoy it for many years to come.